It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2022 GMC Yukon XL Denali. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Denali. The driver's door has power door locks, power windows with 2 auto express windows, power adjustable and power folding side mirrors, the child lock button, programmable memory seat for up to 2 drivers, door storage with a cup holder, and you'll notice this Yukon comes with a premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel, the power tilt and telescopic steering wheel adjuster, park brake, lane departure alert, park assist, auto stop start, traction control, hill descent control, the 360 camera, heads up display, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, some lighting controls and dials, carpeted floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, leather interior, Denali embroidery in both seats, and a power moonroof overhead. Next, I'll hop in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and that heated steering wheel button. To the right, we have the audio controls and Bluetooth command. This is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash using those arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead, the programmable garage door opener, the buttons to fold those rear seats down, the power liftgate button where we're able to set that opening to maximum 3/4 or turn it right off, power sunroof buttons and OnStar. This button here in the center is for our power sliding center console. By sliding that open, we reveal a storage compartment down below. Electronic precision shifting. To the left here is the engine push start button. Apply pressure to the brake while pushing the button to start the Yukon. Up next is GMC's Infotainment Center, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation. And this screen also doubles as our backup camera with guidance. Down below, we have the hard buttons for our radio and media options, dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated and ventilated front leather seats, the rear climate control buttons, some USB ports and power plug-in. This is the wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. At the front of the Denali, we have that unique Denali grille. Embedded in the grille is our front camera, fog lights, 22-inch machined aluminum wheels, a 6.2-liter V8 engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the integrated turn signal indicator, rear tinted windows, running boards down below. The door handles have keyless entry, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. Remote start. And as we make our way to the very back, we have the power lift gate. I'm going to use our key fob, push that button twice to pop it open. In the trunk, we have plenty of cargo storage space, cargo hooks, the buttons to fold the second and third row seats down, a power plug-in with a storage compartment down below. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 7-passenger SUV. The passenger door has power windows, power locks, door storage, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of the center console has dual cup holders, the rear climate control buttons, heated rear outboard seats, some USB-C ports, and a power plug-in near the floor. Carpeted floor mats on the floor. To gain access to the third row, take the center aisle or pull the tether on the back of the seat. In the rear, we have 3 additional seats with cup holders and USB-C plugins on either side. So come take a look at the 2022 GMC Yukon XL Denali, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.